It's Puppy by world-famous American artist Jeff Koons, and I think it's among the greatest public sculptures of the last 100 years. At first, it looks just like a big bumpy abstract shape made of plants. Oh well, pretty but boring. But step back and it congeals into a happy, friendly Norwich Terrier that sits 43 feet high, swathed in 70,000 perfectly placed petunias, marigolds, begonias, and all these other pretty flowers.
Jeff Koons created this artwork in 1992, and it belongs to our collection since 1997. The piece was created for an event that was taking place in a castle, Bad Arolsen Castle, and it was done during the time of the Documenta of Castle.
Motivations for it. It probably came from visiting Baroque churches in Europe. This aspect of the different polarities, the symmetrical with the asymmetrical. Control giving up control, the life cycle of birth and death.
For his pièce de résistance last year, he hired platoons of German workmen to erect a 40-foot puppy made of flowers, and the art world cheered.
It's very much about something extremely banal made into something terrifically heroic and important. And so it kind of bespeaks of our own sense of ego at certain moments in our life.
Jeff Koons is an American contemporary artist who is best known for his reproductions of commonplace objects, such as his stainless steel balloon animals. He was born on January 21st in the year 1955 in York, Pennsylvania. Koons' father, Henry, was an interior decorator and furniture dealer, while his mother was a housewife and a seamstress.